Join me as I try to transform my skin using just orange and pomegranate juice. Can I really achieve that glowing look? Today, I want to talk to you about achieving glowing skin naturally, without any harsh chemicals or expensive products. And I'm excited to share with you a secret that I've discovered, using two simple ingredients that you might already have in your fridge: orange and pomegranate juice. These two superhero ingredients have been used for centuries to promote healthy, radiant skin, and I'm going to show you how to harness their power. We've all been there, waking up to dull, lackluster skin that looks like it's been through a war. You know, that tired, uneven tone that no amount of concealer can fully cover up. It's frustrating, right? You try product after product, hoping to find that magic solution that will give you the glowing skin you've always wanted. But what if I told you that the answer lies not in some fancy moisturizer or serum, but in the humble orange and pomegranate? I know, it sounds too good to be true. But trust me, these two ingredients are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can make a real difference in the way your skin looks and feels. And the best part, they're totally natural, so you don't have to worry about any harsh side effects or chemicals seeping into your skin. We all want that radiant, healthy glow, but it feels like it's always just out of reach. Whether you're dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, or just plain old dullness, it's hard to know where to start. But what if you could unlock the secret to glowing skin, without breaking the bank or sacrificing your values? Moving on, let's talk about the incredible benefits of orange and pomegranate juice for your skin. Orange juice is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. It's also got anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. And pomegranate juice is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which can help to protect your skin from environmental stressor and promote healthy cell growth. When you combine these two juices, you get a potent cocktail that can help to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin from the inside out. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. You can add them to your morning smoothie, drink them straight, or even use them as a face mask. The possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to learn the secret recipe that's going to take your skin to the next level? It's incredibly simple, but it's also incredibly effective. All you need is a juicer, some oranges and pomegranates, and a willingness to give your skin the love and care it deserves. Here's the recipe. Simply juice 1 cup of orange juice and 1 cup of pomegranate juice, then mix them together and drink once a day. That's it. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for extra flavor and nutrition. I know it sounds too simple, but trust me, this recipe is a game changer. The combination of vitamin C and antioxidants from the orange and pomegranate juices can help to brighten and even out your skin tone, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy cell growth. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, without breaking the bank or sacrificing your values. So, to recap, we've learned about the incredible benefits of orange and pomegranate juice for glowing skin, and how to incorporate them into our daily routine. Remember, it's all about keeping it simple, natural, and nourishing. By harnessing the power of these two superhero ingredients, you can unlock the secret to radiant, healthy skin that glows from the inside out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any experiences with using orange and pomegranate juice for skincare, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more natural skincare tips and tricks.